So hello everyone, today we will see how to create instance in AWS. So first of all log into your AWS and then search here EC2. Now click on EC2. Then on your left hand side then search for instances and then click on instances. Then go to launch instances. Now give your any name to your instance, like I will be giving demo tutorial. Then select your OS image. By default here Amazon Linux, you can select anyone according to yourself. You can select Ubuntu, Windows, Mac OS, Debian. I'm selecting by default Amazon Linux. Amazon machine image is Amazon Linux 2023 AIMI. It is free tier, so I'm selecting this one. Architecture is 64-bit. According to you, select your one. Then instance type is by default T2 micro, which is free, so you can select by yourself which one you want. Then create new key pair. I will give this name EC2 tutorial. Then key pair type will be RSA and private key file format will be PAM. Note that .pam mainly used for the version window which is above 10 or equal to 10, or for Linux, Mac, Ubuntu. Now create key pair. Save it in your window. Then select your network security. If you want to connect it to your instance, then allow SSH traffic and select anywhere so that anyone can connect with it. Allow HTTP traffic from the internet so that anyone on the internet can access to this instance. By default storage is 8, so we will go to the default one. Then select advanced details. We will not fill any detail here, go to the last part. Now enter your user data here. I will select file from my drive, so ec2.sh, open. Then select your user data and launch your instance. Your instance is launching. Wait for some time. Note that please do not close your browser until it will loading. Now go to your instance ID. So it will show your instance all information. It is still loading. So the instance state is running, but the status check is initializing. Until it will pass all the status, you need to wait and refresh it. You need to wait for some time until your instance will be created. So you can check your instance detail from here, like instance ID is did and your public IP address, private IP address. It will show all information related to your instance. You need to refresh it for some time because it is initializing. It is in a state of initializing until the status will pass. So you need to wait for some time. Also you can connect it to your SSH so that you can run command there too. So connect, click on connect button, then connect it. So it is establishing connections. So it is connected, you can see on the screen. Now you can run here any command you want, but first of all you need to configure here, so you can do it by yourself. But first of all we will check the connection of our instance. So we'll refresh it. It will take some time to pass. So it is passed. 3 by 3 check passed. So no, it is initializing. That you need to wait for more some time. Refresh it till then. It will show your all details like instance type is GT2 micro, status check is initializing, it is taking time. Availability zone is East 1A. It will show your IPv4 DNS IP, Elastic IP, IP6. So it will show all your instance information. You are After creating this instance, you are able to check your server. You can connect your server to your SSH. You can also run it on your internet. On anyone can on the internet access your server. So you need to wait until it get connected. So it is taking time. So you can check your like all the details regarding your instance like instance ID, your IPv6 address, your IPv4 address, your key pair, your credentials information, your virtualization type, your like you can check it. It is disabled, monitoring is disabled or enabled. You can edit it also by going to the settings, but right now we are only checking our instance, connecting our instance. So we need to wait until it got properly. So status has been passed. Now you can run your instance. Let's check it out. So go to your public IPv4 address. It will take some time in loading. Note that you need to change it to HTTP and enter. So that now your server is ready to run hello world from IP this. So you can connect like this your instance. So this is all about how to create instance in AWS EC2.